what's up? Today we'll be making some delicious crepes. It's great for breakfast, lunch, dinner, a dessert, or a snack. They are so good and they are so amazing. They're perfect for blintzes and they're so good in jam. Let's get right into this video. Okay, now that you're here, let's go through the ingredients. So right here I have a cup of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna put that into the bowl. I have 2 cups of milk. And then now I'm gonna add 3 nice eggs. Perfect. Now we're going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, now we're going to mix this. You can use a blender or a stand mixer if you don't want to hand mix it, but I really like hand mixing it because it's fun. Okay, now that we're done mixing our batter, or like our mix, we're going to let it rest a little so there aren't as much bubbles, because the bubbles make air bubbles inside of the crepe and they don't taste as good. Meanwhile, we're going to preheat our pan. Let's go do that. Now that my pan's preheated, I've put a little bit of butter and it has settled down. I have a great, amazing soup ladle. If you have anything else better to scoop with, make sure to use that. So, we have to do this fast. So we're going to scoop some, put it down, and roll it around to get all those scraps. If you have a spot that didn't get anything, you can grab a little and put it in that spot and then move it around. And if you have a little dots, just okay. Now we just have to let it cook. So you're going to try to scrape down the sides a little and loosen it up because you don't want it stuck to the pan. But the thing is, you don't want to flip it too early or it will tear apart. Loosening the edges, and you want to see like a solid top. You want it to like not run around, but you want to cook it a little longer because you want to get that crisp on the edge, like a little bit, like a little darker, so you can have a nice crunch in a way, and it's a nicer taste. So once you can like grab it and sort of scrape under, so when you flip it, it doesn't tear apart. And if it does, that's totally fine. So nothing's ever perfect. There. And then flip. I ripped it, but that's totally okay because we're gonna fill it, and you can fill it and roll that into the middle. It looks so good. We're gonna let it cook on the side for way less time, but still let it fully cook. Okay, let's put it on the plate. Okay, we're almost done. Just have to get this last one off the stove. perfect. So now we're just gonna turn off the stove. And then I'm gonna get some grapefruits, some grapefruits. And then get a cutting board, and I'll meet you over there with all our yummy items to put in the crepes. Yay! Okay, now that we've gotten all our ingredients, I will show you. Well, not ingredients like toppings. I have a banana, I have some fresh strawberries, and of course I have my crepes, and we have some Nutella. This is like a simple version that you can use. You can fill it with like anything you want. Crepes are perfect for anything. So I'm gonna open the banana. And just cut half, because you don't want to cut more than you need. Alright, so I'm going to set that aside. We may need more, we can just cut more. So, I'm going to push. One broke. That's sad. I'm going to grab some strawberries and cut them diagonally. You can cut them any way you'd like. Really, it's just what fits on the crepe will work. Just don't want anything too big. Alright. Now let's grab our first crepe. Put our knife aside. We're going to grab our Nutella. Spoon. Put it onto the crepe. Spread it around so that the fruit will stick. And I like creating a cool pattern with the fruit. So I'm going to go banana, banana, banana. Another one right there. Then I can put the strawberries right in between. Okay, now is a harder part. So folding it, you have to be very careful not to rip it. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit the bottom and fold it up to make sure nothing falls out. Then you're going to grab the side, pull it across to tuck it in, and then roll. And there you have an amazing crepe. Let's get into taste testing. This is my sister Rebecca. How do you think it is?
Amazing.
Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And the most important thing, cook. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below. Bye. See you next time.